Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can connect your Cloudflare domain to your Shopify store. So first I have the Shopify dashboard opened right here. And what we want to do is come down to the settings at the bottom left. Next, you want to come down to the domains tab right here. This will open up the domains page. Next, we want to click on where it says connect existing domain right here. Then we want to come over to our Cloudflare dashboard. And on the left-hand side, we want to go where it says domain registration and click on where it says manage domains. Here we can see my domain that I have right here. What we want to do is click on where it says manage and then click on where it says update DNS configuration. Then under the DNS management, we want to click on where it says add record. We want to make sure that this record is of type A. For the name, we want to use an @ symbol. For the IPv4 address, you want to enter this IP address. I'll have it in the description down below, so you can go ahead and copy it. Go ahead and disable the proxy status and then set the TTL to 1 hour. Go ahead and click on where it says save. Now we're going to need to add another record. This record is going to be of type CNAME. For the name, we need to enter in www. For the target, we will want to enter shops.myshopify.com. I'll have this in the description as well, so you can go ahead and copy it. We're also going to disable the proxy status, and we're also going to change the TTL to 1 hour and click on where it says save. So again, I'll have all of this in the description, so you can go ahead and copy it. Next, we're going to need to enter in that domain name. So my domain name is evandoestech.org. Go ahead and click on where it says next. Then we can go ahead and click on where it says verify connection. And now we can see that our SSL is currently pending. This might take a little bit in order to actually go live. You also might get an error saying that the connection failed. And that's because this can take some time to update across the entire network. So again, you might have to give this a little bit of time in order to update, but once it does update, it should allow you to go ahead and connect your domain. But that's how you can connect your Cloudflare domain to your Shopify store. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.